Hello students, welcome to Future Doctor NEET Academy. Today I am going to solve 7 problems in alcohols, phenols and ether chapter. Okay, now let us see the first question in the chapter. See, the first question is reaction between acetone and methyl magnesium chloride followed by hydrolysis will give dash. That's the question. Okay, so among this, which one is going to give tertiary? That is acetone and methyl magnesium chloride. So just write as this, you can get the product. So acetone means what's the formula for acetone? The CH3. Understood. CH3, C double bond O, here CH3. Understood. This is called what? Acetone. Methyl magnesium bromide, CH3, Mg, chloride, CCl. Understood. So these two are reacted together. That before that you must know the charge and all, This is what? C plus O minus, This is minus, this is plus. Understood. You must know the charge. Then only you are able to get the product very correctly. So we get what? So my MgCl goes to, here. CH3, it goes here. Understood. It's a minus, it goes to positive part. So the product will be, what? CH3, C, the CH3 present as it is. Down, who will come? The MgCl will come, no. Now it becomes, double bond becomes single bond. So MgCl, here, CH3. Understood? Okay. You're following? Just add as it is. Then followed by what? Hydrolysis. So followed by hydrolysis, we get, okay. So here, wherever OMgCl is present, we have to split them. Understood? Here. This side OH, understood? This side H, understood? Right. The product will be CH3, C, CH3, CH3, then OH. Now, we'll be getting what? CH3, C, here also CH3, understood? Here also CH3, down OH. So, this is nothing but, around the carbon atom, 3 carbon atoms present, no? So, it's called what? Tertiary. It's a tertiary compound, tertiary butyl alcohol, understood? So, option C is the correct one, simple, understood? Sometimes, they can use what? Formaldehyde. If you use formaldehyde means we get primary alcohol. If you use acetaldehyde means we can get secondary alcohol. Understood? So we are using ketone. No, if you use ketone means you can get tertiary alcohol. Next one. When vapors of secondary alcohols is passed over heated copper at 573 Kelvin, the product formed is dash. Okay. So see the secondary alcohol. Any secondary alcohol you put secondary alcohol CH3, CH3. Understood? Down OH. This is called secondary alcohol. No, secondary alcohol. Copper 573 is a familiar, that number, catalytic dehydrogenation test. Okay, so if you use copper 573, so what's the product is obtained? Okay, we get what? It's a dehydrogenation process. Dehydrogenation means what? Minus H2 will be removed. Minus H2 will be removed. Okay, right. Okay, here this will be removed. See, minus H2, no, this will be removed. Understood? So H2 will be removed. We get what? CH3. What's the product? CH3C double bond O. CH3. Understood? Are you following? Okay, we get what is this? This is a ketone compounds, no? So generally they are asked, okay, not particularly. They asked only generally. See if your second alcohol is passed over copper 573 Kelvin, what's the product they are asking? So it's a ketone, no? So answer is what? C is the correct one. Understood? If you use primary alcohol means we are getting aldehyde. If you use tertiary alcohol means we will be getting alkene. Understood? Next one. Which one of the following will not form yellow precipitate on heating with alkaline solution of iodine? Okay, which one? Not give means alkaline. Though this is nothing but alpha-form reaction. What's the condition for alpha-form reaction means? What's the condition? What's the condition for alpha-form reaction? Alpha-form reaction condition. What's the condition? The compound should have what? What's the condition? The compound should have CH3C double bond O. Methyl ketone should be there. Understood? This is one condition. Another one is the compound should have CH3 methyl carbinol should be there. Methyl carbinol. Okay, methyl carbinol, CH3CHOH. Okay, methyl carbinol. So any compounds having these two group, that compounds can undergo or can give yellow precipitate. Can give, but the question is what? Which one not give? So see this first compound, CH3CHOH. Is there no? CH3CHOH. Correct or not? So this compound can undergo, can give. Here also CH3CHOH. CH3CHOH. So having this compounds having this group. So this also can give. See here what? Ethanol. This one outright. This also having, we can split like this. Ethanol, we can write like this. We can write like this, no? Understood? Are you following? Understood. So this also having what? CH3CHOH group. So this also can undergo, but which one will not undergo means what? This answer. Understood? So this condition, just remember, this is the alpha-form reaction condition. Okay. Next one. Simple. This one, phenol plus zinc test. You know that phenol. What's the formula for phenol? OH. Okay. This is all phenol. If you put zinc, what happened? Just try to understand. Zinc plus oxygen minus zinc oxide will be removed. Now we get only benzene is obtained. Understood? We get benzene. So X is what? Benzene. Again, this reacts with CH3Cl. So alkylation taking place. Understood? CH3Cl. We get what? H from here, Cl from here. HCl will be removed. So CH3 added on the benzene. We get toluene. Understood? We get toluene. Okay, again, Again, we're adding KMNO4. We're adding KMNO4. KMNO4 is a powerful oxidizing agent. Understood? Powerful oxidizing agent. So it turns and it converts, it oxidizes. CH3 becomes what? COOH group, carboxylic acid group. This is called what? Benzoic acid. So benzoic acid, understood? Right. That is what benzoic acid. So see the answer. B is the correct one. Understood? So these are simple equations. You just remember all this. The heating of phenyl methyl ether with HI. Simple one. Phenyl ether, no. Ether means oxygen bridge will be there. Right or not? One side phenyl group, C6H5. Another side we put what? Methyl group. Understood? So HI, when you add HI, iodine always prefer sp3 carbon. Iodine always prefer sp3 carbon. This is called sp3 carbon. This is called sp2 carbon. So what? So it goes to only, that or not? Understood? So I, you put it here. Okay, H, you put it here. So the product will be what? Okay, the product will be C6H5OH plus what? CH3, that CH3I. Understood? Right. Phenol. So see the phenol. B is the answer. Are you following? Understood? Simple. Next one. Which one is formed when sodium phenoxide is heated with ethyl iodide? Sodium phenoxide means what's the formula? C6H5ONA. Simple. Phenoxide. Ethyl iodide means what? C2H5I. Simple question. This is nothing but what kind of reaction? What's the name reaction? This is called Williamson ether synthesis. Williamson ether synthesis is nothing but what's the reaction began is called what? SN2 mechanism. Primary alkyl halide should be very important. Then only we can get ethers. So simply remember, this will be removed. NaI is removed. Understood? This will be removed. Remaining C6H5OC2H5. The product will be what? C6H5OC2H5. Understood? Right. If CH3 is present, it's called anisole. But here C2H5 is present, this is called what? Phenitol. Phenitol. It's a commercial name. You have to memorize. Okay. Phenitol. So answer is what? A is the correct one. Understood? Right. Next one. Butanone reacts with sodium borohydride to form A, which on dehydration by constant sulfuric acid to form B. Identify B. That's a question. Butanone means butanone, no. CH3, C double bond O, CH2. Understood? CH3. Understood? Right. Then sodium borohydride is it's a reducing agent. No. Sodium borohydride is a reducing agent. What happens? Reducing agent means it will supply hydrogen. No. It will supply hydrogen. So now it becomes what? You can put like this. 1H here. 1H here. Now we are getting secondary alcohol. Understood? We will be getting secondary alcohol. So what? CH3 simple. Understood? Secondary alcohol. Okay. So A is what? Secondary alcohol. Again, dehydration. What happened? When it undergo dehydration, dehydration by what? Concentrated sulfuric acid. So what? We will be getting, that will remove H2 molecule. This side only we should remove according to Z's of rule. So product will be what? Simple. What's the product? We will be getting what? CH3, CH. The double bond will come in between. Double bond will come in between. So product will be what? But. Double bond in between 2 and 3. No. So but 2 in. But 2 in. So B is the correct one. Understood? Simple. Okay. So each and every reagent role important. Then only you can be able to get an idea how to get the product. Understood? Okay. The next class we will see the next chapter problem solving session. Okay. Thank you, students.